Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Number 8. Mr. Gupta had a choice to invest in 10 rupees shares of two firms at rupee 13 or at rupee 16. If the first firm pays 5% dividend and the second firm pays 6% dividend per annum, find first which firm is paying better. Second, if Mr. Gupta invests equally in both the firms and the difference between the return from them is rupees 30, find how much in all does he invest. First firm, NV of 1 share rupee 10, MV of 1 share rupee 13, dividend percent 5%. Dividend is equals to 5% of rupees 10, that is 50 paise. Income percent is equals to income upon investment into 100. 50 paise upon 13 into 100, that is equals to 50 upon 13, equal to 3.846%. Second firm, NV of 1 share rupees 10, MV of 1 share rupees 16, dividend percent 6%, dividend is equals to 6% of rupee 10, that is equals to rupee 0.60. Income percentage is equals to income upon investment into 100. Income is 0.60 upon 60 into 100, that is equals to rupee 3.75%. In first firm 3.8, here 3.7, therefore first firm is paying better than second firm. Second part, let money invested in each firm rupee X. From first firm, therefore numbers of share purchased is equals to X upon 13 shares. Total dividend 0.50 into X upon 13, that is equals to rupee X upon 26. Second firm, numbers of share purchased is equals to X upon 16 shares. Total dividend 0.60 into X upon 16, that is equals to rupees 3X upon 80. Difference in both this dividend is rupees 30. First firm minus second firm. So X upon 26 minus 3X upon 80 is equals to 30. LCM of the denominator is 1040. Therefore, here multiply and divide by 40. Okay, here multiply and divide by 13. So 40x minus 39x upon 1040 equals to 30. 40 minus 39, x upon 1040 equals to 30. Therefore, x is equals to 30 into 1040 is equals to rupees 31,200. Total money invested in both the firms equals to 31,200 into 2, that is equals to rupees 62,400. Sum number 9. Ashok invested rupees 26,400 in 12% rupee 25 share of a company. If he receives a dividend of rupees 2,475, find the first numbers of shares he bought. Second, market value of each shares. Solution. First, total dividend is equals to rupees 2,475. Dividend on 1 share 12% of 25, that is equals to 12 upon 100 into 25 is equals to rupee 3. Numbers of shares bought, total dividend upon dividend on 1 share, that is equals to 2,475 upon 3, equal to 825 shares. MV of 825 share is rupees 26,400. Therefore, MV of 1 share is equals to 26,400 upon 825 equal to rupees 32. A man invested rupees 45,000 in 15% rupee 100 shares quoted at rupee 125. When the MV of these share rose to rupee 140, he sold some shares, just enough to raise rupee 8,400. Calculate first the numbers of shares he still holds. Second, the dividend due to him on these remaining shares. Total investment rupees 45,000. MV of 1 share rupee 125. Therefore, numbers of share purchased is equals to 45,000 upon 125 equal to equal to 3060 shares. NV of 360 shares is equals to 100 into 360 equal to rupees 36,000. Let number of shares sold is equals to n. Therefore, sale price of 1 share is equals to rupees 140. Sale price for n shares is equals to rupees 8,400. Therefore, n is equals to 8,400 upon 140 equal to 60 shares. Numbers of shares he still holds 300 minus 60 is equals to 300 shares. NV of 300 shares is equals to 100 into 300 rupee 30,000. Dividend percent 15%. Dividend is equals to 15% of 30,000. That is equals to 15 upon 100 into 30,000 equal to rupees 4,500. Sum number 11. Mr. Tiwari invested rupees 29,040 in 15% rupee 100 shares quoted at a premium of 20%. Calculate first the numbers of shares bought by Mr. Tiwari. Second, Mr. Tiwari's income from the investment. Third, percentage return on his investment. Total investment rupees 29,040. NV of 1 share rupee 100. MV is equals to 100 plus 20% of rupee 100. Premium of 20%. So 20 rupee, 100 plus 20 rupee 120. Therefore, numbers of share purchased 29,040 upon 120 equal to 242 shares. NV of 242 share equal to 100 into 242. That is equals to rupees 24,200. Dividend percent 15%. Dividend is equals to 15% of nominal value, that is 24,200 equal to 15 upon 100 into 24,200 equal to rupees 3,630. Income percentage equal to income upon investment into 100, that is equal to 3,630 upon 29,040 into 100 equal to 12.5%. Sum number 12. A dividend of 12% was declared on rupee 150 shares selling at a certain price. If the rate of interest is 10%, calculate first the market value of the shares. Second, the amount to be invested to obtain an annual dividend of rupee 1,350. NV of 1 share rupee 150. Dividend percent is equals to 12%. Dividend on 1 share 12% of 150. that is equals to 12 upon 100 into 150 equal to rupee 18. Let MV of one share is rupees X. Return percentage is equals to 10%. 10% of rupee X is equal to rupees 18. 10 upon 100 into X is equals to 18. Therefore, X is equals to rupee 180. Dividend is 18 rupees 18 on investment of rupees 180. But dividend is equals to rupees 1350. Then how much is the investment? Cross multiply. So 1350 into 180 upon 18. That is equals to rupees 13,500. So total investment is rupees 13,500.